Lexi and Dylan on their new Barbie Jeep that we got off Craigslist for 50 bucks. Oh! Yes, and they're driving in our living room. Look how cute they look from the back.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Ah! Now, don't tell me any of your parents ever let you do this in your house when you were a kid. We are the world's coolest parents.
That way. Go to Target again.
Go get me some milk, please.
Is that working?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Can you do that, Dylan?
I think reverse just...
That's the key.
Yeah, that's